Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to implement full text search feature in Laravel 6 framework by using Ajax. For implement full text search in Laravel 6 framework, we will use Searchable Laravel package. Do you know what is full text search? It is techniques for searching. It will search data based on all words, not as a single word. For example, here in normal data table search, we have type John in search text box, so it display only one record in which John word has been come. But after we have type John with Brazil, then it has display no data found. That means in normal search it has searched data of multiple word as single word. Now this is full text search example. Here we have type John and click on search button. After click on search button, it has display one record on web page. After this we have add Brazil word in text box, and after this we have click on search button. It has display 6 record on web page. So in full text search, it has returned data in which John word has come, and it has also data in which Brazil has also come, so this things we have to learn in this tutorial. Now let's start learning this topic. So this is our testing database. And in this we have one full text searches table, in which we have already inserted some customer data. This is our Laravel working folder. Here we have already download and install Laravel 6 framework. First we want to make database connection. So, we have open.environment file. And under this we have defined MySQL database configuration like, host name set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root and password set to blank. First we want to download Searchable package, so we have go to command prompt. Here we have go to directory in which we have downloaded Laravel 6 framework. And here we have write this command. This command will download and install Searchable package in your Laravel 6 framework. After this, we want to make model class, so here we have type command like, PHP artisan make, with model with name like full text search. This command will make model class file, with name like full text search.php in app folder. So, we have go to app folder and open full text search model, and under this, we want to add searchable trait under this model class. So, here we have write, nicolaslopezj, /searchable / and lastly we have write searchable trait. After this, in this model class, we have to define searchable column name, so here we have write $searchable variable is equal to array. And in this array, we have write columns key and in value, we have store array. With first key, full text searches table name. Customer name, with value 10. In second key, we have write full text searches table name dot gender table column name, with value 10. In third key, we have write full text searches table name dot address table column name, with value 10. In fourth key, we have write full text searches table name dot city table column name, with value 10. In fifth key, we have write full text searches table name dot postal code table column name, with value 10. In sixth key, we have write full text searches table name dot country column name, with value 10. And in last key, we have write full text searches table name dot id table column name, with value 10. This way we can define searchable column under this model class. Below this, we have write $fillable variable is equal to all table column like customer name, gender, address, city, postal code and country in array format. After this, we want to make controller, so we again go to command prompt, and here we have write this command. This command will make controller file under app folder. So, we have go controller file, and open it, and here first we have make index method, this is root method of this class. Under this method, we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write full text search view file, so this method will load this view file in browser. Now we have open full text search.blade.php file, and in this file we have already loaded Bootstrap and jQuery library link. In this file, first we want to make search text box, so here we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to full text search. User can type search query in this text box. After this, we have write at the rate CSRF directive, this is for handle form post request form cross-site request forgery attack. Below this, we have type button tag, with type is equal to button, name and ID is equal to search. By click on this button, user can get full text search result data. Now we have create one table, with 6 table column like, customer name, gender, address, city, postal code and country. Under this tag, we have create table body tag. We will load all or full text search customer data under this tag. Now we have moved to write jQuery code, so here we have make one function, with name like load data, with argument like full text search query. Under this function, we have write underscore token variable is equal to $ with selector like input name is equal to underscore token with value method. This code will get token input field value, and store under this variable. Below this, we have start write Ajax request, so in this first option, we have write URL, and here we have write open and close Laravel expression. Between this expression, we have write root method, and under this we have write full text search.action, it will send request to action method of full text search. In second option, we have write method and here, we have use post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write, and here we can define which data we want send to server. So here we have defined full text search, and underscore token variable value has been sent to server. In fourth option, we have write data type, and here we have defined JSON, so it will receive data from server in JSON format. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have create one output variable with blank value. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write data.length value is greater than 0. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write for loop with condition like count variable is equal to 0, count variable value less than data.length value, and count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like open table row tag. After this, for display customer name data, here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.customer name table column name. Now, for display gender details, here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.gender table column name. Same way for display address details, here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.address table column name. In fourth column, we want to display city data, so here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.city table column name. In fifth column, we want to display postal code details, so here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.postal code table column name. In last table column, we want to display country data, so here we have write output variable, and in this variable, we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this, we have write data with count index.country table column name. But suppose, above if condition return false, that means there is not data available for display, then it will execute else block of code. And under this block, we have write output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like open table row tag. After this, we have again write output variable, and in this we have append HTML code like table data tag, with call span attribute is equal to 6, with message like no data found. So, This way we have convert data into HTML table format, and store in output variable. Now we have write $with table body tag, with HTML method, and under this we have write output variable. It will display data under this tag. Now, when this page has been loaded, then this function must be called, so here we have called load data function. Same way, when user click on search button, then this function must be called for search data, so here we have write with button ID search with click event. Under this, we have write full text search query variable is equal to with text box ID full text search with value method. It will fetch value of search text box. Below this, we have call load data function, and in argument we have write full text search query variable. It will load data according to search query in HTML table. Now we have go to full text search controller, and here we have make action method, with request argument. This method will receive Ajax request for full text search. Under this method, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $request variable with Ajax method. If this method has received Ajax request, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $data variable is equal to full text search class, with search method, will create search scope. Under this method, we have write $request variable with get method, with field name full text search query, so it will full text search data according to value of this field, and store under $data variable. After getting full text search data, now we want send to Ajax request in JSON format, so here we have write return statement, with response method, with JSON method, and under this we have write $data variable. Now we want to set root for index, and action method, so we have go to roots folder, and open web.php file. Under this, we have first write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write full text search, and in second argument we have write full text search controller at index. Now for action method, we have write root class, with post method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write full text search /action, and in second argument we have write full text search controller at the rate action. After this, for Ajax here we have add name method, and under this we have write full text search .action, so it will send request to action method of full text search controller. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see, we have enter base URL / full text search, then it has load customer data on web page in table format, and above table we can see one search box with button. This is web page, in which we have load customer data in data table. Now for describe different between simple search and full text search. For example, here in normal data table search, we have type John in search text box, so it display only one record in which John word has been come. But after we have type John with Brazil, then it has display no data found. That means in normal search, it has search data of multiple word as single word. Now this is full text search example. Here we have type John and click on search button. After click on search button, it has display one record on web page. After this we have add Brazil word in text box, and after this we have click on search button, it has display 6 record on web page. So in full text search, it has returned data in which John word has come, and it has also load data in which Brazil has also come. So are you understand how full text search work? So, this way we can implement full text search in Laravel 6 framework by using Ajax with Searchable package. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.